Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can check junk mail in Gmail very easily. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes under the video and write your comments. And let us get started with you. So friends, first of all, you will need to open the Gmail app on your device. Once you do that, you'll see 3 bars in the top corner, and you'll need to tap on them to go to the list of different emails that you have on your Gmail. And next, scroll down this list and find Spam. Click on Spam. So you'll go to junk mail, which is also called spam, which means that these emails are coming to your Gmail, probably from some unknown source. Gmail does not understand who sent you these emails, or these emails can be perceived as malicious, for example. So to avoid harming anyone, Gmail sends these emails to spam. But if you've got some emails that you want in your spam folder, I suggest you go through this list, find the email you want. Then, if you would like to remove it from spam because you need it, it's very easy to do that. To do this, you need to click and hold on that email. Then on the top right-hand side, click on the 3 dots. And then select this option that this is not spam. After that, this email will be forwarded to some other pack. You can find it further down if you click on the 3 dots. And then you can see where your email is. Most likely it will be in unread, or you can open the option All Emails. And then you can view it. That's how you can easily check junk mail in Gmail, friends. I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you, friends. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you, friends.